Hey guys, Justin Mitchell here hanging out at MarineMax Dallas in Lewisville, Texas. I'm hanging out in front of this 2018 Axis A22. This beautiful black and red boat is absolutely just screaming to get looked at and ready to take you and the entire crew out for a fun day on the water. Equipped on this guy is going to be the Power Wedge 2 coming from Malibu. Also, this guy does have the surf gates on the side, so this boat is set up to surf and will give you endless waves. This A22 has 280 hours on it right now. It has that screaming Monsoon 409 engine in the back that will pull all the weight for all the surfing and wakeboarding that you and your entire crew will want. This guy is equipped with standard bungee board racks, so you can hold 4 boards up on the racks. You have endless storage throughout this entire boat. Every seat lifts up in the cabin here. Up in the bow, we do have the filler seat in right now, but it can be removed so you can walk through. This boat does have 4 ballast tanks on it, 1 in the front, 1 midship, and then 2 on each side in the back. This boat will absolutely outperform anything out on the water. Thank you for checking out this boat with me. My name's Justin Mitchell, and we're here over at MarineMax Dallas.